Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Setting clock. Now you need to choose alarm at the top left corner and click on this red plus icon. Now set up an hour, and when you're done, choose OK. Then tap on repeat and select days of the week. Now click on vibrate to turn off or on vibrations and choose label. Over here you can label your alarm however you wish to and tap OK. Now click on this bell icon over here. Click on add new and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up and going back. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of these available melodies by tapping on the chosen one and going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, just click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!